guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I want to welcome all my new subscriber here. Thank you so much for choosing me, and welcome to the family. Here I talk about skincare business and everything in the middle. My name is Nene, which you already know. So today's video, I'm gonna walk you through what is in my phone. Before I start, I have iPhone 10, so let you know that I'm not keeping up with nobody. I'm still taking it easy. So this is me and this is my phone. So what is in my phone right here, and that's my boo. So I'm gonna walk with you each and every app that I have and the reason why. So let me start with TikTok right here. I use TikTok because in my job, sometimes I get bored because I do work 12 hours a shift, and then the TikTok app, it keep me the day going. And I have cheddar this right here because I'm a student, so sometimes I need help, especially the homework. Where you know that the homeworks are hard, and this camera here, the camera you see down here. I have a camera that will know I take pictures, so I use it to upload my pictures here in my phone. And then the Bible, see the Bible, I know God now. Think I be pagan. I know God, so I use the Bible, so I use it to read every damn day. So the Google Drive, like I said, school students, so I need a Google Drive, and the email, that's the G email right here. And then Google now, everybody need have Google. And then I have Amazon Alexa. You can see Amazon Alexa. So I got Alexa the Echo, so that's my friend. And I have AliExpress right here. AliExpress right here, see that? That's my shop if I want to buy something from China. And let's go back what I say. Okay, and I got Snapchat. Snapchat favorite app ever. And I got ID game. Now it's loaded, but I got the idea game right there. You can see the idea game right there. Because like I said, I'm bored, so I play games sometimes, and I do get fast tracking. I'm too lazy to do gym because 12 hours shift, so I use the fast tracking. See that? Yeah, see that? So I can keep it balanced. And WhatsApp right there, but I don't use it anymore. See, I don't use it anymore. But I don't delete it now. And I got Cash App because I sell my candles business, and sometimes the people, they say we get Cash App, and I Cash App it. And I got Truebill right here. The one help me track all my bills together, my car notes, my rentals, my insurance, everything. And Uber, because sometimes if I need fast cash, I do Uber Eats. I know hustle. And that lead me to Instacart, like also side also. And Amazon delivery right there. Okay, now it's downloaded. See that? Amazon delivery right there. And Geico Word doc. The Word document app is to type my essay if I want to edit something on the go. And Grammarly right here to keep my stuff perfect, because English is not my first language. Sierra Leone by birth. And I got Geico right there is still downloading for my insurance. And my bank is Wells Fargo. And I use Ring for my apartment. And I use Canva, 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 see, Canva to design. And Quizlet, I forget Quizlet. Quizlet, I be using Quizlet since I started school in America. Since 2015 I started school in America. From high school, oh, not be college. For Zimbabwe. So Quizlet helped me get all my A plus and Word documents. Word document, like I have it right there, close to Geigo, for anything I wanna edit. And what else I miss? Oh, and I got ST, right there, ST. Hold on, let me show you my shop. ST, see that? Sell my candle. That's ST. What else I miss? And I got Google Map. Right there, Google Map take me to work. And the calendar and the photos and my camera and my reminder if I want to do something after work or be within work right there. And I got my heart tracker right there, how much sleep I got and everything. And I'm at today's step, I take 3,699 steps. And I got my wallet. And then guys, that's it. It's good to have you here, and thank you so much for your support. Keep watching, and tons of videos are coming up. I love you guys. Bye bye. Oh, you like my